What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. So in this video we're going to look at this USB adapter, and this is for Ethernet port. This is basically can use on your Fire TV, your Chromecast, your Roku TV, just to get an extra boost of internet. As you can see right here, we have the Ethernet port right there, and also we have the USB connection right here. We have the USB connection, we have the micro USB connection that can basically connect to your device. So I'm going to show you guys how to connect this up right now. Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to use my computer to connect my Fire Stick. As you can see right here, this is my Amazon Fire Stick. I like to connect my Amazon Fire Stick to my computer, and also I did a video to show you guys how to connect your Amazon Fire Stick to your computer. I will put a link in that in the description. And also these are equipment that I have a link all of these in the description as well, that you guys can use to connect it to your computer. So for this is my adapter cable that I'm going to use. This is my Amazon Fire Stick right here. This is my HDMI video capture card. This is my Ethernet connection. This is my router, and this is my cable right here that I'm going to connect from the internet. So this basically is plug and play. You don't need any additional software if you're gonna use it directly to your TV. But because I'm using my computer, I'm using OBS Studio to basically capture your device right here. So if you're using your TV, it basically works just fine. You don't have to use any other software. Just connect it to your TV. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to connect this up. So as you can see guys, my connection is now connected. I'm using USB port 3. So you can see the light is blinking right there. So now we have internet going on the Fire TV right here. So this basically can use directly. As you can see, the connection is now connected. Now can browse and use this. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go to settings to show you guys which internet connection I'm using. Go to settings and go to network. And you can see guys that the wired connection is connected, Ethernet connection right there. So this is basically connected on it right now, so I can basically browse the web on my Fire TV right here, which is pretty great, pretty awesome. So this device right here is really good if you're using those Roku TV or Chromecast or any form of these that have Ethernet connection. It will work just fine. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. And as always, I see you guys in my next video. Peace out.